Welcome to the Weather Centre on this Sunday, everyone, for an update of tonight's conditions. Now, there are still a couple of cold fronts affecting the country, the first of which is brushing along the eastern Cape coastline, now moving out into the Indian Ocean. The second is still approaching the southwestern corner. And for much of the day, we've seen lots of moisture moving in over the Cape provinces, keeping things quite cloudy, and showers have continued to move through those areas. Up in the north, it remained clear and dry, although it was a cold day across the Highveld. Now for tonight, things will remain quite cloudy in the south. We're still expecting a few showers in places, dry across the rest of the country, although moisture will be moving in over the Lowveld overnight. It's going to become cloudy in those areas, and we may even see drizzle developing along the escarpment in particular. Now, those chances of rainfall are still expected for tomorrow up in the northeastern corner. Otherwise, another dry day for the central parts. Things are clearing up along the western coastline on Monday, but in the south, moisture will still be moving in, keeping things quite cloudy, and we'll still see a chance of rain along the Garden Route as well as for some parts of the Eastern Cape. Now for tonight, there'll still be a few light showers around for parts of the Northern Cape, including around Sutherland and Calvinia. Those showers extend all the way through to Cape Town and Cape Agulhas. Along the south coast, also a likelihood for showers, except in this area, we'll see those showers continuing into the early hours of tomorrow. And here we see that chance of rain along the eastern escarpment, up to a 40% chance for that area overnight. Could see a few drops in the Lowveld and the far northeastern parts of KZN. Cape Town tonight will be mainly cloudy. There's still a possibility for a few light showers, a minimum temperature overnight of 11 degrees. But by Monday afternoon, things will be clear and dry with a maximum of 20 and light southeasterlies expected across the peninsula. Now we can see that southeasterly winds are also expected to develop overnight into the Lowveld. That's going to be pushing in that cloud cover as well as that chance of rain. And as the second cold front moves away tomorrow to the east of the country, we're expecting moist air to push in from the south, and that's going to result in fairly cloudy conditions continuing over the eastern and western Cape for tomorrow. And along with that, temperatures will not be recovering too much. Now for a look at minimums, and we're expecting it to be quite a typical night for winter across the country. Lower single digits for much of the interior, below freezing through the central parts, while along the coastline it's going to be milder, 10 degrees for George as well as Richards Bay. And on Monday afternoon, temperatures will reach the lower 20s for some parts of northern South Africa, 20 degrees in Pretoria, 23 in Mahikeng, and Uppington gets to 21. Much warmer near the western coastline, but remaining cold once again across the southern interior, Bishu reaching a high of 16. Tuesday brings warmer and clearer conditions across the Cape provinces, 24 degrees into East London, remaining quite cloudy and cool in the Lowveld. And on Wednesday, even further warmings expected in the south of the country, a lovely day in KZN, while it remains mild under partly cloudy skies in Gauteng.
You deserve to know more.
eNCA.com